Hello traders, today is August 6th, Thursday. We are looking at the mini NASDAQ on a 233 chart and we see a probability setup. We started out at the open and it looks like we are in a downward momentum. We caught one entry here before. Actually, we got stopped out before on a short. Now we're looking for that next short entry. And looks like this may be the point where I might want to be getting in here. Got in a little late, but you can see this long red candle gave us our trigger. We had moved up, retraced. Looks like roughly about the 50% Fibonacci, and this is turning out picture perfect. I don't want to get too greedy on my profit target, but if we can lock in a good 10 to 15 ticks, I'll be content with that. We're already at 10 ticks almost. Actually, we're past 10 ticks. We're now into 15 ticks. Okay, now it looks like we had a bunch of buyers jump in and it stopped me out at a good spot. I don't know if you're able to tell. I locked in the profit around the 10 tick spot for just in case. Um, Now this is setting up for a potential either further retracement up to, you know, maybe the 63% Fibonacci. I'm doing this by eye. I'm not using my Fibonacci tool. Or we could bounce around sideways, create like a consolidation box. So I'm going to draw a consolidation box here. Right now it looks like a little slight wedge. So there's two ways we can draw this. We can either draw it like this, or we can draw this. Now that this next pivot formed, we can draw this like this. Now this is going to break out one way or the other, and it looks like a probability. The probability is to the downside on the breakout because we're in a downward momentum. But it doesn't mean that the buyers can't just jump out of nowhere. So we always want to be cautious, when we enter into these kinds of consolidations. I'm watching the 1 minute volume bars, and as they increase, depending if there are more buyers or sellers, looks like we are breaking out to the downside. And this is one of those situations where I might want to get one loaded. Yep, that definitely is a negative bias. Now it's going to come back and test the area that it broke out of, so I need to get my stop prepared in the correct spot. And if we break out of that zone, we really need to penetrate. There we go. Now we're moving in the right direction. I'm expecting this to go probably, for sure, we're going to hit and probably surpass this area of previous support. Oh, I got to watch out. The buyers are jumping in now. I'm gonna bring my, well, this could be the fake out breakout. Let's see if it comes back and tests our area. There we go. That's what I was looking for. As soon as we come down and test this area, I'm going to lock in my stop into the profit zone. Let's increase our view. There we go. So now I'm going to bring this down, lock it in because we could reject off that support area. And if we go, oh, we just broke through. So we got our target filled. Perfect entry, and this thing could actually go further now. So we're going to get locked and loaded and ready to re-enter again at the 50% moving average. I hope that helped, and we'll see you next time.